Hello everyone, welcome to Good Explanations. I am your host Faruk, and today, as always before, we are going to build some React app. We are going to use Next.js, of course, but the main thing is we are building with Next, with React. This is all a very good project if you want to see how, or if you want to see what other people do. So in this project I am building a more dynamic and more manageable approach for my OBS overlay. If I may show it in fact, so if you have catched the time we built the first part, currently we are building this. So this is going to be something that I can plug and use, or plug in and out some components to my overlay, such as this one. Currently you can see that now I will activate it. As you can see on my overlay, now I have a component which is not sized correctly because we are not there yet, but as you can see it has 4 quadrants where on the top right there is a support thing, on the top left there is a schedule thing, on the bottom left there is some rotating text, and on the bottom right is a text with a cool effect. So this is going to be the thing that we are going to build. We will have a dashboard, and on that dashboard we can eventually we'll be able to choose canvas size, layout, and what type of component will go to each item or each quadrant in the layout. So this is the project, and it is currently deployed to somewhere which I can show you. So you can also go and check it out. So it is this one. There we go. So we can visit this. So as I said, we can plug in and out of this, plug in and take it away. That is how I imagine it. So to achieve this, we need to move into more. We need to create one more abstraction right now on my project. And by the way, this show is brought to you by Good Explanations, and it is called Internet Works With Me. I am still not I'm still not quite there yet, but we are getting there eventually. I want to eventually have content that is not, struggling with the words. I want to have a good flow, and I want, from start to finish, I want to have an enjoyable experience for everyone who is watching. But anyway, thank you for joining. Although this is uncomfortable for me, I am thriving when I am uncomfortable, and I am overcoming my shortcomings in positions that I am uncomfortable, and productive, of course. Anyway, not the point. So let's go. Let's tackle this. Last we left off, we had this app here, app is a single page currently, which is a canvas, and canvas is a component that has basically 4 elements filling a grid. We formed our grid as a 12 row and 12 column grid. So thinking like this, I will then give each component their starting row, ending row, and starting column, ending column. That way we should have a very dynamic and very customizable layout. So, but before that, now I want to have some our app shouldn't immediately show the canvas. It should have a dashboard layout. Maybe on the left we have some sidebar, and eventually we will introduce some authentication to the application. So yeah, so right now this is the board where I follow the project. So let's begin. 6 minutes of my blabbery. Okay, so let's start with this. We are doing a dashboard. Yes, let's do a dashboard, and let's let's make that our canvas can be configured from a dashboard. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, so in that case we are going to have, I believe we are going to have a singular layout, which is going to be, there's a children, but also we will have a sidebar here. So let's make sidebar yeah, on the components we will have a sidebar. Right? Yeah. So sidebar should be sidebar equals, right now let's just return sidebar. So, and here we will have sidebar and children. So this is it. And for our class here we have what? Flex. It is going to be flex. Okay, let's start with this. Okay. Localhost 3000. Oh, sidebar is all the way over here. Why? Let's check it out. because our canvas is absolute. That wouldn't work. Where is it? Okay, canvas shouldn't be absolute. But if this is not absolute, it still works. So why did I needed that? I have no idea. Okay, so as you can see, we now have the sidebar. Nice. We can start building from this. Okay. Okay, so our sidebar yeah, okay. We can have canvas.tsx here, right? I'm gonna try something. Return. Canvas. So on the sidebar, if we have ULs, link on href, slash canvas. How does this work? There is no canvas here. Okay, this is yes, and okay, cool. Okay, now we have some kind of routing. Eventually we will make this very dynamic. So next I should do, okay, we have, although it's a rudimentary one, we have a sidebar. I'm wondering something. Okay. We can switch back to some so we should have a link directly reaching to this. Okay, I see. Since this is going to be a render, it shouldn't have anything on it. So there should be a page, canvas. Yeah. Canvas. So we can say live page.tsx, and live also have, I know the layout thing is a bit different, but it will make sense. It will make sense eventually. So we can call this live layout. It doesn't matter what we call this. And this should just return children. see. Am I doing too much? Maybe here I just need to return children. Can I just return children? Does it work like that? And here I want to return the canvas. Let's say live canvas here. We can call every page component like page, and it wouldn't matter. And here I want to call this one home of dashboard layout creator dashboard. Let's see. Well, interesting. Okay, so canvas is here, and now if we go to live, we are still getting the we shouldn't get this stuff. So I need to change this layout. This layout should be entirely different. Yeah, okay. Where is it? Task list. Are you happy? Cool. Okay. So I want no layout there. I just want to show the entire thing as it is. So let's introduce the HTML and everything. Let's try like that. Yeah, why not? HTML. Let's forget about everything. No sidebar, no main, nothing, just the children. Okay, this is what I need. This is what I want. Exactly. Nice. Cool. This is what we need. Very good. So, do you get what I want to do now? We will copy this link, which is /live, into the OBS browser source, and it will be our browser source, and we are doing everything together. Internet works with me. Nice. Anyway, so back to the drawing board. So now we are here. People arrive. I think there will be some buttons like create a new canvas or list your canvases or something. I'm not sure. But eventually, for now, let's think about it. So you are here on your canvas. Right. So in this canvas, we should have some toggles, some customization options, etc. Let's think about them. Where is it? This one. So here I should be able to select how my canvas will look like. Okay, should we go the database stuff, persistent data, persistent state now or later? You know what? Let's do it. Let's jump right in. I don't mind. So let's go to Vercel Postgre document. Where is it? Let's get it quick start. Vercel Postgre quick start using an ORM. Where is it? Prisma. Okay, let's create a database here. Storage. Create database. Postgre. Continue. Hey, really? This is a bummer. Why? What do we have here? I mean, we can go MongoDB, sure. That was a bummer. You shouldn't put a limit on that, I think. Maybe it's a beta. So, no problem. We can go to Mongo. Sign in. I shouldn't show you my dashboards and everything. I'm gonna go this way. I will take this away. Interesting. Okay. I think I was using some other account. So we are not using Vercel storage. F that. We are going. Let's get this one. We can go to Prisma now. Prisma.io. Documents. With MongoDB. Mongo. Okay. We are gonna start from scratch with MongoDB. Nice. I can't sneeze. Oh, it has been ages since I used Mongo. Let's see. Anyway, let's do this. Okay, we should be good to go, I think. let's yes, let's install Prisma. Nice. Get the Prisma in it. Now we have this Prisma here. Cool. Okay. Now connect your database. You need to set the URL field on connection URL. Okay. Now we get our okay, I will now use my Mongo dashboard to create a new database here for this project. Let's call a new project. Name of the project is dash what layout creator. Members or permissions. Create project. Okay. Okay, build a database. Free. Sure. Create. Okay. Okay, never mind. Finish and close. Go to database. Now connect to this database. Okay, let's get it here. I will do this outside of view, of course. And what was my passport? Password, not passport. Where is my database access? This guy. Edit. Password. Show. Copy. I didn't write it down. Copy this. Update use. Cluster 0. Okay, we have it now. I think we should be good to go. database. Okay, let's continue with the Prisma. Database. Wait, I want to check one more thing. Cluster 0. Is this my database? Create a new cluster. No. I think we are good to go. Collections. Let's stay here. Let's try to find it. Okay. My first database. Never mind. Let's see. Yeah, I want to write here something. Let's say overlay creator for now. Yeah. Cool. So we should have it like this. Prisma client.js, Postgre, sure. Now we will create a schema. So for this schema, what I am thinking, it will be model canvas. And the canvas will have a ID, of course. Does these matter? Why not? Name, width and height, layers. I don't want to call them layers. I want to call them layout. So what should we do? Layouts or fully customizable? It is possible, although it needs more calculations. Or we can keep it very simple and do layouts. I don't want to say width and height. I want to say just resolution. I want to keep it 16 by 9. Or no. Let's call it width and height. Yes. What are you talking about with layers? What is a layer, in your opinion? Shape? Nah. Okay, it is thinking about a what? So what I'm thinking. Let's go to my canvas. Why am I struggling with this? So it takes the resolution, and then we have this list of items. Canvas will have a name, and then what? Let's put some stinger here. My mind is going blank for some reason. So let's go and think here. We closed the app. So what can you select about the canvas? You can select canvas, its layout, and which item will take hold of the quadrants. Yeah, I think that is it. I think that is it. I want to check one more thing. CSS grid. Grid layout. Let's go. So grid column 1 3. Grid row 1. So 1 3 columns 3 column 3 is grid column 1 2 to 5. So we call grid column 1 3. So we can have column and record it with a dash. Okay, I think I am happy with this. So model component, we can call it model component, and component will have ID, created, updated, sure, name. It will belong to a canvas. No, it will be many to many. So I don't know about this. It will just be name. Nah, wait. Okay, what I am thinking, component placement or something like that. What I am thinking is this will have a name which will be column string. This will be a string, and row will be a string, and here we will have components of component array, something like this. Yeah, there shouldn't be a foreign key anywhere. Cool. We have done this, right? So now we installed the Prisma client. Didn't we? No, we didn't. Didn't we? Okay, never mind. Install the Prisma client. We did it. So let's go to our page here. Why not? Okay. It didn't automatically involve Prisma generate. Or is it? No. What are you doing, man? Okay, yeah, it is not generated as I suspected. So it says, notice that it installs. Nah, it's bullshit. mpx prisma generate missing. Okay, let's see. Prisma schema validation, error validating field components. Okay, so I guess then there is canvas sys. Is it okay? Cool. Now, do you recognize canvas here? Nah, you still don't recognize canvas. No. Maybe if I close it and open it again. Who knows? Who knows? Did you guys play Diablo? The new Diablo. Okay, it's still not working. Can we do this now? Socket hung up. What is it? Provider Postgre, why? What do you mean? Oh, Prisma, what is this? What about your documentation here? Weird. Okay. Come on. Socket hung up. Wait, is it because npx Prisma generate? Okay. Comment. Okay, for some reason my autocompletes were effed up. Let's see. I see. Okay. So give me this commas IDs. It should be yeah. Cool. Okay, let's try one more time. Finally. Do we have it now? Yes. Thank you. Okay. Okay, it is returning empty array. Cool. Now let's make this. Now we are We created a dashboard. We even created DB model for canvas. Yeah. What else? Okay, let's continue from the document. Installing the Prisma client. Yes, we did. Querying the database. Cool. Write data into database. Let's do it. The find menu query you used in the previous section only reads data from the database. Okay, so let's create a database. I'm gonna refresh this. So I can show this. It is fine. So as it suggests, let's do it. Here, we are going to do main users to create some data. So here, I'm gonna do await. So data what layout, man? We don't have these. That is it. What do we have? We have canvas name with in 19 20 1080p components create, right? This is the syntax. Posts create. Okay, so it will be component is a name test component, column 16, row 16. That is it. Close it, please. Another closing tag. No. Another closing. Oh. Okay, we created something. We created two of them. Let's check. Refresh. Okay, for some reason we created two of them. Did it invoke twice? Is it the reason? But you see, our database connection is working now. Now the only thing is, I also need another dashboard. So if we come here, we need an admin dashboard. So admin dashboard is to create new components in the database. Create or let's say CRUD components in the database. crude canvas properties in database. So something like this. Because what I imagine for example, when you want to create a new canvas, there will be a drop down where you will select the width and height, for example, and enter a name. It will be a form basically, and you will then push create. The width and height properties, or the selection which will translate it into width and height, will be coming from the database. So what we can say now is, let's say here model. Okay, you know what, I will close this because it keeps creating new things. Model canvas size, right? So it should be like this. It is a name. Yeah. Right. Cool. And we can immediately use this to, I should say db push, right? mpx okay, so now here it should be await Prisma canvas size. Come on, man. This is a problem with my VS Code. I don't know why. Canvas size. It is not showing. So it should be like this. Data. So can I do it like multiple inserts in one query? Can say like this. Here, name is, so what were our names? Let's open the popular screen resolutions. This here, okay, cool. List of common resolutions. What the heck? Nah. Wait, what the hell are you talking about, man? (16 by 9) resolutions. How is this 16 by 9? check. I will check. I will check OBS. I don't have to keep all these in mind. Or you know what? Okay, 1080p, 4K, 2K. These are the stuff I am looking for. So it is, this is at 16 by 10. Fuck. Never mind. Okay, 16 by 9 resolutions. It shouldn't be that hard, really. I mean, I know them all by heart, but I still wanna verify it from a resource. There it is. Okay, I think this is too much, but let's start from this and go forward. So keep it here, get this one here. I can have later have a okay, so here we go. Cancel this. Right. Name. HD. Sure. Or I should just put width, height. Cool. Next. 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 Four things. I think this is enough. Even Copilot thinks so. Yes. Let's do it. I will run this now and we will get these written on the database. Where is it, man? The document is empty now. But when I run this, socket hung up. Why? Got invalid value. What is the invalid value? This is about trying to create multiple things at once. So this is not working. Okay, guides. Seeding database. So I should have written multiple. Okay. We cannot create them with a single query. I understand. It is understandable. So I will copy this. Delete this thing. I mean, okay, let's not clutter our database from the beginning. It is working, that is the most important thing. Okay, I think this was a productive session. What I'm going to do next is to make this canvas, this thing. So this page will be where we set up our canvas, and it will be reflected here. So for somehow the selections we make here will be written to the database, because here what we will select the if we go back to our Prisma, if we go back to our schema, for the canvas we will select the layout or the resolution. Then what we select will have width and height, and we will modify our input for it, and then we will select the components. So the components will map one-to-one to our component library, widget library available in the application. Yeah, and after we have selected those things, after we selected those and save, when we visit the live page, it will render the actual component we want. So that is our next episode of Internet Works With Me. This is how I structure my content. I am working on it, as you can imagine. and I want to call these unscripted live streams, unscripted stuff that I am sitting in front of my computer and building what I want to build, which eventually will be also a game. I will be building a game here on this channel. So I guess mainly there will be two types of live stream content. One is building these kind of web applications, modern and user-friendly web applications, and secondly it will be a game, which is going to be my passion project. Hopefully, who knows, something that I would do for the years to come. And secondly, there will be some offline content, I mean video on demand, long form videos on my YouTube channel, and on those, for a reminder for everyone, I will, because although I had a background in software development, in coding, I was not really educated about it, but 3 years ago I finished this certificate from FreeCodeCamp, and right now my wife is going through the same route. My wife is learning JavaScript, and I see that she is struggling a lot with some of the concepts. And when you look at the internet, there is still, although there is an abundance of things, abundance of tutorials, content, videos, documents, etc., still, for a total beginner, for a alien coming from social sciences or things like that, who are not very familiar with the let's say analytical thinking, there aren't any good educational content for them. So I found out that while trying to tell her about how to think some certain concepts, I found out that I can actually come up with very good examples, very good analogies, where you can map the real life situations with how you should think about algorithms. So to give back to community, because this is all free, by the way, it works on donations, it is financed through donations, etc. And I want to pull my weight here. Like, I will open this step, I will read it, then I will make a explanatory but also metaphorical or analogically, it maps to a real life example, and solve and pass the test. So this way it will be a document, or it will be a collection of, first of all, solutions for these steps, but the main thing is not to give solutions. The main thing is to make it more approachable for non-technical or non-analytical people, if that makes sense. So if that is something of interest to you, or someone you think from your circles, please let me know. Write in the comments. Also let your friends know about this, because this will happen. But until then, you were watching Internet Works with me, and you are now in Good Explanations channel. I am your host Faruk, and